Once you are able to spot the market's current position, you have solved over 40% of your trading problems. Basically, traders have issues with identifying what the market is doing at the moment, the phase that the market is in at the moment. But if you can get that solved, then you're 40%, you're 60% ahead of your counterparts. All right. So, where is the market at currently? What is the market doing currently? That will give us a guide. It will serve as a roadmap into what to expect. Okay. I'll be sharing with you in this video the outlook for the week, what I am looking out for, myself and my students in the TMC community, what we are looking out for throughout the week for the set of pairs that or set of assets that I focus on and that I'll be focusing on for the remaining of this week. I am your boy and your friend Emmanuel Khan. If this is your first time of coming on my YouTube, you are highly welcome. Please hit on the subscribe button and then hit on the notification bell icon so that when I upload new videos, you will be the first to be notified. If you are a returning subscriber, cheers and thanks for returning. All right, without further ado, let's dive right into the matter of the day. We are looking at the roadmap for the day, roadmap for profit for the week. This is step index, and this is where we're currently at the moment. We see that step index has taken out the most recent high, so we are looking at step index coming into this region. Once it comes into this region, then we'll be looking for entry confirmation. Everyone in the TMC community understands what I mean by entry confirmations. We do not enter the trade simply because price has come into this region. No, when price comes into this region, is a sign. It's an alert sign, just telling us, hey, get ready. Just like you have the yellow light in the traffic light system. Okay, you know, when you are on a road and then the traffic light pops up the yellow bulb, you are at alert waiting for the next light, which is the green light. Okay, so this is just it's going to be our yellow light once price comes into this region. But then most importantly, we are going to be looking for looking out for entry confirmations. That is the only reason why we will take the trade. If the trade matches, aligns, or lines up with our entry confirmations. Otherwise, we sit on our hands and we do nothing. Okay, so once the price comes in here, depending on the strategy you're trading with, you are free to get in here. If your strategy gives you the go ahead, okay, then you take a buy from that region. So this is what we are looking at from step index, and this is what I am expecting from step index. Okay, now this whole stuff, this might drag a bit before it gets in here. Okay, it's not a straight line graph. Trading is never a straight line graph. All right, so expect anything, but this is what you're looking out for this week. Let's look at the next pair, or the next asset rather. Okay, let me just begin from V25. On V25, on the daily time frame, is still, if you have seen my video on last week for the outlook, you would have seen that I gave out this outlook telling us that this price is going to come into this region, and when it comes here, we'll be looking for our sell confirmation. We do not just sell because price has come there. Remember, we sell only when our signal, our strategy gives us the go ahead to sell. So whatever strategy you're using, if it gives you a go ahead to sell, then you can feel free to sell from that region. This is still valid on the V25 day one daily time frame. Okay, this is not still a straight graph, so expect that price can stall a while. It can even create a consolidation around this area. It can even come down, do something like this, you know, take up liquidity and then move up some more, because price will need liquidity as a fuel for it to move and thrive and go higher or lower. So it might come down around this region to take out liquidity and then push back up before it finally, you know, crashes down. All right, that is for V25. Let's look at V10. What are we looking at from V10? From V10, we are expecting that price should rally up a bit and then come back around this region before we now look for a buying confirmations. If our strategy gives us the go ahead to buy, then we go all in. Okay, but remember, don't take trades blindly. Follow your strategy. If you're following TMC, if you're my TMC student, remember to always look out for our 3 entry models. Whichever of the 3 entry models plays out, take the trade. If it's the first entry method that plays out, take the trade. If it's the second one you see, take the trade. If it's the third one you see, take the trade. Whichever one you see, take the trade. That's for TMC students. Okay, they know what I'm talking about if they're watching this video right now, and I know they are. All right. So, but if you are new to, if you have not subscribed to TMC at all, then whatever strategy you're using, go ahead and use that. But to keep you profitable in the long run, I recommend you check the description of this video and see what TMC is about, get to know about TMC, and then find your way in. Okay, it will do a whole lot of good. I mean a whole lot of good. All right, that is for V10. Let's look at V50. Okay, V50, this is what we are looking at from V50. We are looking at price, coming up into this region, all right, and then crashing below. So once it gets here, we're going to be looking for our sell confirmations. If we don't see it, we lock up. It's as simple as that. If we see nothing, then we are going to lock up. We are not under obligation to trade. If we don't see our confirmations, we do absolutely nothing. We do absolutely nothing unless we see our trade confirmations. Okay, that is for V50. I just took a trade there. Remember, oh, I thought I opened 2 positions. Okay, 3 now. All right. So remember, V50, we are looking at price coming all the way right here into this zone, and then we're going to be selling massively from that region. Okay, take note of that. If our sell confirmations or conditions are met, if our sell confirmation presents itself, all right, then we'll take the trade off from that region. But this is the overall view for the V50 market. I mean, you are going to be so profitable just following this plan, this roadmap I'm dishing out for free here. You are going to be so profitable if you just follow this roadmap. Unless you don't really know what you are doing. If you really know what you're doing, this is free money I'm giving out here on my YouTube channel. Free money. That's why, please, I advise and I beg of you to share this, like this video, then share it so that others too can benefit from it. I have people inboxing me telling me how rich the videos are, how helpful it has been to them. All right, if I kept the knowledge to myself, trust me, nobody will benefit. So please share this video so that other people will gain from what we are doing right here. Okay, so that is for V50. Let's look at okay, I think we started from step index. Yeah, we started from step index if I'm not mistaken. Okay, yeah, that's it. So we've covered step index. V75, what are we looking at from V75? V75 remains, excuse me, V75 overall, this is the overall view of V75, is in, so far it has been on a downtrend. All right, it has been on a downtrend so far, and we are looking at price rallying back up into this region to take out liquidity, which is a fear for price to now fall further down. Okay, it's as simple as that. So you just sit on your hands and do nothing until price gets to your area of, or your point of interest, your area of interest. Okay, that is that for that. So I wish you all a profitable trading week this week. If you follow this roadmap, trust me, you're going to be making good profit. Please reach me inbox on WhatsApp and let me know how well this has helped you. Let me know if this is helpful to you. Let me know if you want me to continue making videos like this roadmap for the week. Let me know if you like me to continue doing stuff like this, or I should just stop entirely. But if you like it, if it is beneficial to you and you like me to keep doing stuff like this, reach me in my inbox on WhatsApp and let me know. My number will be in the description of this video. All right, till I come your way again next time, keep winning. I remain your friend, Emmanuel Khan. Ciao. Jesus is the Christ.